Hi everybody, it's Nunu. I hope you're doing well. The purpose of this video is, as usual, to go over the week's activities. We are in week 8 in modules. Can you believe it? Week 8? Oh, the time is just flying. We have our to-do list for October 19th through the 25th, 2020. The first item regards Shakespeare's sonnet and Dugan's poem. By Wednesday at 11:59 p.m., please respond to anybody who has commented on your posting. Look below your posting in what's called your discussion thread, and you'll see comments from your peers and also questions and comments from me. Make sure you respond, please, okay? And do so by Wednesday. Thursday, I will start adding up points and making a permanent grade for you. So respond by Wednesday, okay? The second item on our to-do list, we have the Flipgrid video about Tobias Wolff's 2014 short story, Beautiful Girl. This is due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Now, if you are not making Flipgrid videos, you want to make them because they are 25 points, so that's a chunk of your grade, okay? And it's a quick 30 seconds or so. Did I like this work? Did I dislike it? Why? And that helps me to know whether or not to include the work in future or don't include it, okay? And also I want to know what you think about the work. That's helpful for me as I go into our written discussion. Okay, now we have item 3 is we're going to post the essay about Beautiful Girl, and of course that is Tobias Wolff's 2014 short story by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So you'll do your Flipgrid video and then you will respond to the questions I ask you in an informal discussion essay. Okay, our fourth item is optional. We have a Thursday evening Zoom Poetry Story Club from 6 to 6:45 p.m. It's 2 points extra credit for every meeting attended. This is the meeting ID and this is the passcode. We did this officially last week. We discussed a beautiful poem by Robert Frost. We're going to do a poem this week by John Donne. I emailed it to you, I think. And we're also going to share poetry written by people in our class. We're going to assemble the poems this week, and we're going to line them up and take them on one by one, and we're going to explicate them, unravel them, which will be fun. So if you have a work that you would like us to discuss, join our poetry story club. It's a lot of fun. It's a chance for us to interact during Zoom, right? When we all feel so isolated and lonely. Okay, here are my Zoom office hours posted as usual, Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1, my e-meeting ID and the passcode. And Zoom, of course, is up here. Now, keep in mind that I do Zoom one-on-one if you need to do that. The 2 videos I made this week about Sonnet 127 and about Alan Dugan's poem, those were from Zoom meetings I had with different people in our class, and also from watching Valen Stedham's wonderful video about Dugan's poem. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I am over here in inbox, and don't forget Zoom, and I hope you're faring well and are safe and happy as possible during this pandemic where our normal lives are turned upside down and we're masked and all this stuff is going on. Okay, don't forget I'm here.